So the 50mm art lens from Sigma is a beautiful lens, fantastic for portrait photography, but this video is going to be talking about how it looks through video. Honestly, when I bought this lens, I was super into it because I wanted to shoot some like really crisp photos. I ended up just using it way more for video. This is a good lens that's gonna be great for like close-up shots, for like tight, extreme close-ups when you're shooting a sketch or a short film, and really gives you that cinematic punch that you might be looking for to kind of level up your content. So this lens is a little heavy. Obviously, like I said in my other video with the 24mm, that lens is pretty heavy. Honestly, I'd say this lens is probably a few ounces even more the weight. So you're looking at kind of a heavy lens that I probably wouldn't recommend for people to use run and gun or on the go. If you have a whole kit and you're going to a set and you're going to a short film set or a sketch shoot and you have the ability to kind of lug things around and use it like that, then yeah, I would highly encourage this because you're gonna get some beautiful shots of this and some beautiful coverage. It's gonna give you that low aperture at 1.4, similar to the 24mm, which is the main reason why I think people buy these lenses, because of that low aperture, because it's gonna give you that nice blurry background that a lot of zoom lenses, unfortunately, unless you're getting a really expensive zoom lens, it's not gonna give you that low of an aperture. It gives you that autofocus, the manual focus function. The autofocus on this isn't super fantastic. So comparatively to the Sony native lenses that work really well with the Sony cameras, this takes like an extra second, maybe like a split second to lock on that autofocus. So if you can and you're on a set, I would highly recommend you to do the manual focus. If you do plan on using this on the go, and you know, just be aware that the autofocus isn't quite up to par with the Sony native lenses. So this Sigma 50mm art lens is gonna run you about $900, $950. So it actually is a little bit more costly than the 24mm. It's gonna give you some great portrait photography if you're into that. But for video specifically, it's gonna allow you to really get those beautiful close-ups that you may want if you're shooting kind of a short film or cinematic piece. So definitely look into this Sigma 50mm lens. I highly recommend it. Some of the cons, again, are that it is a little heavy on the lens, but if you're shooting on a set and you have a tripod, then that's not that big of a deal either way. If you're going on the go and it's run and gun, it's not super portable. It's kind of big and bulky. But the pros of it are you're gonna get a beautiful shot, super sharp, super crisp. It allows some pretty solid autofocus, not quite compared to a Sony lens, but still really good. So check out this lens. It's a beautiful lens. You're gonna get some great shots. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you have any questions or if you maybe want to see more tutorials on it. I'm sweaty.